Okay guys, this is why I'm building that shop outside. You see that distance there? Well, when you're coming right through here, that roll bar was hitting. It was actually about a ½ inch above. I literally had to pull the valve cores out of these tires and let them flatten, and it was just enough to clear. The reason for that is I've already rebuilt this cylinder. I need to rebuild that one, and that one. This thing bleeds down really, really fast. And I wanted to get it in the shop where I can turn the AC on. Put a brand new window unit in here last summer, and I think I used it twice. So we're going to take advantage of that this year and really run it. So I spent most of the day clearing out a hole, and I still haven't, I don't even want to get into this. All this has to make it out into the other shop at some point in time, which probably the only things that are really going to go are the boxes, the nut and bolt bin, the welders, the table. Yeah, everything's going out there. Anyways, guys, so that's why I wanted a bigger shop where I can get stuff like, and this is a small tractor. But anyhow, it's in. Oh, and I have to make it, I made a little hook out of a welding rod. You can see right there that holds the door up, because when it relaxes, it's actually down below that edge, about 5 or 6 inches. So whenever I get something close in here, I have to pin that and then ease in here. Now my skid steer will barely clear if I have that up, but it clears more than this thing does. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Go check out my channel. I've got a few other videos I'm going to be putting up soon, I hope. I've got a review video on this electric hoist. We're not going to get into that right now. I lost some of the footage. I've got to redo it, and then I'll send it off to the company I'm doing a review for. If they okay it, I'll upload it, and y'all get to see that thing in action. This bike needs to go bye-bye. This tractor needs to get finished. I'm going to put a sulky on the back of it, and I've got a brand new engine out there, and I found that old Poland Pro hood on the side of the road. I'm going to put a hood on it, make a little walk behind or ride on tractor. That'll be another whole video in itself. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all the support. My subscribers are going up like crazy here lately. I just topped a little over 7,000. Now I just got to get them watch hours up. My goal is to be monetized by the end of the year. Hopefully I'll get there. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate all y'all's support, and we will see y'all on the next one, which will be rebuilding these cylinders. Later.